PvP. And
Bro, don't you leave. Don't you leave, please.
Nah, would you like to say hi, bro? Would you like to say hi?
Hi. YouTuber? From
Yep.
Match started.
Hey, bro. Okay. Hello. I'm using Sniper Katana pistol. My friend told me to use it. I don't really know if it's
Round
good.
starting.
So, yeah.
Oh, that was a nice shot.
Thanks, bro. I'm really new to Sniper. Like, I'm not really new, but like, just barely use it. So, yeah. I was really lucky.
Round starting.
Oh, come on, man. Hey, wait. Hey, bro, since you're probably really good with Sniper, could you go a little easy on me?
Round starting.
Oh, I'm dead. You're 4 HP.
Oh, he's...
GG.
Okay, this is not saying I'm bad or like
Round
that,
starting.
something like that. Oh my god, I freaking suck, bro. Yo, I genuinely suck, bro.
Nah, you're good.
Bear, shut up!
Round starting.
I'm wondering
Oh
if we
crap,
can-
wait.
Oh my
I didn't mean to
God.
use shotgun, but...
I'm dead. Yep.
Okay. I just genuine. Yo, I actually suck at this game, bro. I need to get better, bro.
I just no-scoped you on accident.
Round starting.
Oh my god, I'm dead.
How am I just... What?
Yo. I'm not that good with Sniper usually. Are you
I need to,
recording me?
like... What?
I thought you were reporting me for a second.
I'll load up.
I was about to say, you can report me, I don't care.
Kids.